Hey, everybody, and welcome to another episode of CRAV TV. I'm Izzy Pagan Jr., the Director of Channel Sales and Marketing for Cloud Room AV. And today we have a very special guest from INOGENI today. Ryan, how are you?
Great, Izzy. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. It is that time of year, Ryan. InfoComm is right around the corner, and we are super excited to be walking the show. We're going to be stopping by your guys' booth. We're going to be stopping by a couple other of our technology partners' booths. And I'm really excited about this year because at InfoComm, we're seeing a massive industry shift towards AV over IP automated AI experiences. I think that we can all agree on that. But INOGENI specifically is right at the center of this with your latest release of the IP2USB Bridge and the voice-activated CAMTRACK switcher. So from Cloud Room's perspective as an integrator, these tools completely change how we design rooms. How do these new innovations help us bridge the gap between complex network infrastructure and seamless plug-and-play UC experiences with our clients? Maybe you can tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, it's a great question. You know, the thing that's really interesting is, you know, the convergence of AV and IT has already happened, right? You know, we've been talking about that for years, and we're well past the point of it's coming. We're there. We've been there for a while. And so, you know, it's really time for the AV manufacturers to get on board with that. And that's something that we're really trying to do at INOGENI, to stay ahead of the curve and to make sure that we're providing the latest, you know, cutting edge technology to be able to provide, you know, really all the solutions that people need to simplify their workflows, to simplify their designs and installations. And so with the IP2USB being able to ingest now USB cameras, which is a brand new feature. So if you've got a local camera like a bar at the front of the room, you can ingest that local USB input for that wide angle shot. NDI, RTSP, HX, HX2, HX3, combining that together with Dante audio is just a really very powerful solution. And what's great is with CAMTRACK, we utilize already existing devices that are on the market. So, you know, microphones are fantastic, very, very popular, you know, high performance devices. They've got a new microphone that's coming on the market with some AI capabilities, which are really awesome. But, you know, combining that together with the technology that's already existing for customers like cameras, you know, we're camera agnostic, we're device agnostic in that regard. So, you know, I think that's really important, you know, and being able to support all those on a corporate infrastructure and corporate network topology is really important. And you know, INOGENI's got a lot of solutions that are still ahead.
You know, like I said before, we're standardizing your guys' solution, going into our courtrooms, to our high-stake environments. So we are super excited to see you guys over there. Hopefully we'll be able to take some time and do some video at your booth. So Ryan, I will see you next week in Las Vegas. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us today.